Hey DIYers, what's up? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching another video on getting to know your Chrysler Pacifica. In today's video, we're going to show you the location of your spare tire. Let's go outside and take a look. All right, DIYers, outside at the Chrysler Pacifica and another getting to know your Pacifica video. Let's head to the back trunk area. We're going to show you where the spare tire is. See a little panel cut out? It's got a little handle here. You carefully remove this. And inside there is your spare tire. Very unique design spare tire. Check that out. Low profile thread or tread. And as far as the size, there it is. And you've got a plastic clip there that secures, and you've got additional hardware inside there that you have to unscrew and pull the entire spare tire out with the entire styrofoam insert there, and that will be removed once you get the tire out. And again, DIYers, real quick video on where your spare tire is. In the event that you ever have to remove this, definitely check out the link scrolling above. We'll show you how to carefully and properly remove that, as well as install it on your vehicle. And in addition, I want to show you one more thing. Let's head to the front of the vehicle, passenger door. Also, down below in the comment section as well as the description section is a video on how to properly adjust these headrests, and that will be extremely beneficial in the event that you did not know that those were adjustable. From here, hey, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.